ashes still whisper their names.
From pain we rise unbound
By the word that burns in our veins. Chosen hearts ignite tonight. The hand of Yahuah guides the fight.
Someday, no fear remains in this tribal flame. No night can claim our soul.
We forge our spirits in His name, for His promise keeps us strong.
Brother, the fire shakes. Brother, the soul awakes. The hammer falls, the covenant breaks.
The old is gone, the new begins.
By His decree, the light within.
We are the forged in Yahuah's fire, but bound as one by His desire.
Stand as brothers, hearts aflame.
Rise united in His name. And from the smoke, a voice arose, not of man, but of heaven's fire. You shall lead them, bearer of the light. Fear not, for I am with you. The heavens open, glory bright, a crown of flame, a soul of might.
His chosen stands, His will made clear. The army formed. The dawn draws near. My holy flame.
Warriors reborn in Yahuah's name.
Shadows tremble, demons flee. The light ascends His victory.
Light has been forged. War is coming.